Hi everyone, I'm going to discuss about the biological databases. First of all, we have to know what is database. A database is a collection of the information or a data which are stored electronically on a computerized system. The biological data, coming to the introduction, a biological database is a large organized body of the persistent data which are usually associated with the computerized software which is designed to update as well as query the system and retrieve the component of the data which are stored within the system. A database is a collection of biological data which is organized so that its content can be easily accessed and managed, and we can also update. Some of the examples for these biological databases are GenBank from the NCBI and SwissProt from the Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics and PIR from the Protein Information Resources and PDB, that is the Protein Data Bank. The biological databases or the libraries of life science information, they have information which are collected from the scientific experiments and also the published literature and the high throughput experimental technology and the computational analysis. They also contain various information regarding the genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, and microarray gene expression as well as the phylogenetic analysis. Some of the biological databases are the information regarding the biomolecules and the nucleic acid sequences and protein sequences as well as the structure of the protein and the metabolic pathways and polymorphism in the nucleotide sequences as well as the amino acid sequences and polymorphism in the structure as well as the gene expression and evolutionary relationships, etc. The biological databases can also be broadly classified into sequence database, structured database, and functional databases. The sequence databases provide information regarding the nucleic acid as well as the protein sequences, and the structural databases having the structural data of RNA as well as the protein, and the functional databases provide information regarding the physiological role of the gene products. Mainly, the biological databases are classified into two types, that is the primary database and the secondary databases. The primary database is also called as the archival database. Actually, they are having the information regarding the experimentally derived data such as the nucleotide sequences, protein sequences, as well as the macromolecular structures. The experimental results are submitted directly into the databases by the researchers, and the data are essentially archived in nature. Once the data are given in the as a primary database, they can never be changed from the part of the scientific records. For example, some of the primary databases are EMBL, GenBank, and DDBJ. They provide information regarding the nucleotide sequences, and the UniProt, PIR, and SwissProt. They provide information regarding the protein, and Array Express Archives as well as the GEO. These are the functional genomic databases, and Protein Data Bank. They will provide the three-dimensional structure of the macromolecules like a protein. Next one is the secondary database. The secondary databases comprises the data which are derived from the results of analyzing the primary data. They are highly curated, and they are also often using a complex combination of computational algorithms and the manual analysis and interpretations to derive new knowledge from the public record of the sciences. Some of the examples for these secondary data are Interpro. They have the information regarding the protein families, motifs, and domains, and the UniProt. They have the information regarding the sequence and the functional information of the proteins. And the ensemble, they have the databases related to the variations, function, regulation of as well as onto the whole genome sequences and SCOP, CAT, prosites, motifs. And there are also some specialized databases are there. For example, to create some special needs of the interest. For example, OMIMS, that is the online Mendelian inheritance man, which having the information related to the inherited diseases, and the gene expression omnibus, that is microarray database, and the genomic databases, and also flybase. They have information regarding the Drosophila melanogaster and the HIV sequence databases, ribosomal database projects. And what are the importance of these databases? These databases are the storehouse of various information, and it also contains the information about the genome and the protein of every species. The database also used to store as well as to organize the data in a way that the information can be retrieved easily by a variety of search engines. And these also facilitate the discovery of new biological insights from the raw data. And these data also have become the molecular biologist reference library. They will provide a wealth of information on any gene or even a gene project, and they can also contain mutation and evolutionary relationships. It also of the data. Thank you.